I wonder if anybody can identify this noise. I'm only getting it on 10 metres, not sure if it's the power line adapters problem that we tend to have nowadays, but it's all over 10 metres. Yeah, it's locally to my house. I don't think anybody's getting it. Well, I know they're not getting it 3 and 4 mile away, so I presume it's just local to my property. As you can see, pretty much wipes 10 metres out. Anybody can help identify it, I'd appreciate an email. Signals from stations have got to be very loud to break through it, that's for sure. But the signal does change as I turn the antenna. Like I say, anybody that can help me out, just give me an email. Appreciate it very much indeed. Thanks a lot. Bye.